Hi everyone, and thank you for checking out your weather update. We have a heat wave working into the area. Looking at our Thursday, we'll feature a good amount of sunshine. There may be an isolated storm, but I wouldn't count on it, but I would count on the heat. We'll see temperatures warming quickly throughout the day. High temperatures should reach the lower 90s, but with the humidity, it's going to make it feel more like 105 or so tomorrow afternoon. So it's going to be very, very hot tomorrow, and that's just the beginning of a 4-day stretch of some very hot conditions out there. You can see Friday we're 95 degrees, low temperatures in the upper 70s. Saturday 95 as well. We'll have a storm chance working in on Sunday. Temperature on Sunday will be dependent upon how quickly that storm chance could work in. That could keep us cooler. We may have to shave that off if the front trends quicker. We'll watch that. But as we go into next week, after the front passes, we get much cooler. So we'll look forward to that. But in the meantime, guys, I do want you to know that we're under an excessive heat watch here from tomorrow afternoon through Sunday evening. We're expecting heat index values to be about 105 to 110. For what it feels like on your skin. That's what the feels like temperature is in the shade. Keep in mind, if you're in the direct sun, it will feel warmer than that. And once you get above about 105 degrees for that heat index, you can get heat exhaustion to set in pretty quickly if you're out in the elements for a long period of time. So you do want to take it seriously. You know, definitely don't overextend yourself out there. Drink plenty of water. You can see the forecast heat index here for us here in Indianapolis. Forecast 106 to 109, what it will feel like here from Thursday through Sunday. But look at Monday, only 84 for the heat index. So that will be a very, very nice relief for sure. So there is a light at the end of the tunnel, which is the good news. But in the meantime, we're going to have to get through about 4 days of very hot conditions. Thanks for watching this forecast. Have a good day.